Everyone, Namaste and welcome to Keep On Learning. Today we will discuss about the ongoing tensions between the Israel and the Gaza Strip. According to news, Hamas two rockets fall off Tel Aviv coast into Mediterranean Sea, which is near to the Israel. Though there were no casualties in Israel, but then also Israel didn't took it lightly and strikes Gaza with bombs in retaliation. According to Hamas, they were experimenting their rocket towards the Mediterranean Sea and due to the force of air, it struck near the coast of Israel. ये तो हंसने वाली बात हो गई कि एक नहीं दो रॉकेट का डायरेक्शन चेंज हो गया और वो दोनों जाके इसराइल के कोस्ट के पास ही गिरे। हालांकि हम सब ये जानते हैं कि ये बाय मिस्टेक था या फिर ये इंटेंशनली किया। Is it a trailer of an upcoming military confrontation between Israel and the Hamas? How can we say that? As we can see, there are many reasons for this. So let's talk about some reasons let's know the reasons behind an upcoming military confrontation. The first reason is the violence in the West Bank in December 2021. Even after the warning of the Palestinians to Israeli settlers in the West Bank not to show aggression, but then also Israeli settlers attacked the Burqa village in the occupied West Bank, and in that 42 Palestinians were wounded. Nearly 750,000 Israelis are living illegally in the West Bank and East Jerusalem. Then also they attacked the people of West Bank. The second reason can be that recently Israel military had arrested a Palestinian guy by an unfair means and for an indefinite reason, and now he is on hunger strike of about 137 days. And now the Palestinians are warning that if the guy Abu Hawas dies of hunger in the imprisonment, then Israel will be attacked by both sides, that is from Gaza Strip and from West Bank. बिना किसी कारण के अबू हवास को अरेस्ट कर लिया गया है और अब वो 140 दिन से हंगर स्ट्राइक पे हैं और पैलेस्टीनियंस का कहना ये है कि अगर वो प्रिजनमेंट में मर जाता है तो फिर वो इजराइल पे दोनों साइड से अटैक करेंगे. And now the bombing at Gaza Strip has also become one more reason of increasing tensions between the Israel and Hamas. One more reason can be the construction of an recently iron wall. It contains 3 layers of security. The first is a border fence, then an hourglass fence and an underground wall. It is so called the iron wall. This layer is built on the ground as well as beneath the ground up to a very good length, which can restrict the Hamas terrorists to enter Israel through secret tunnels which they earlier used to do. Why I am saying that these are the upcoming possible reasons for the military confrontation? Because in December 2021, Hamas and Palestinian groups hold combat readiness drills in Gaza, and these drills were reportedly aimed at increasing coordination between the groups. And they started this combat exercise in the wake of failed efforts of mediation between Israel and Palestine. But what is the reason or cause behind the combat exercise? In answer of the reason, Palestine said that it wants to convey that it will respond to Israel's each and every military aggression, and for this Hamas and Palestine have been holding meetings to prepare for a possible military confrontation with Israel. Let's see what happens in the upcoming days. In my opinion, both should find a peaceful way of resolving their tensions, of easing out tensions between them. As we all know, nowadays no one can beat Israel in the military, weapons and the technology, like the Iron Dome and now the Iron Wall. जैसा कि हमने पहले भी देखा था कि इजराइल ने मुंह तोड़ जवाब दिया था गाज़ा को अपने आयरन डोम टेक्नोलॉजी से. इसलिए ये एक बेवकूफ़ी होगी अगर वो फिर से इजराइल के साथ मिलिट्री कन्फ्रंटेशन में जाने का सोच रहे हैं. तो So this is my opinion. Do comment down your opinion also in the comment box. So this is it for today and we'll meet you soon with the next video. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video then hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thank you.